Hello students, come to the class number 17. In the previous class, we have discussed regarding the examples on allied angles. Today also 2 to 3 examples I will discuss regarding the allied angles, and then I will do the homework of the some examples, and then I will go for the next bit, graphs of the trigonometric functions. Now see the students, let us see some more examples today also. We have discussed in the previous class very interesting question. I repeat that question here regarding that one. Sin square 5 degree. In the last class we have discussed sin square 10 degree, sin square of 15 degree plus sin square of 90 degree is equal to what we have got in this answer? 9 1.5. 9 1.5. Now see how you get that 9 1.5. So this is the once again I am repeating this question here. Sin square 5 degree, then you have a sin square 85 also, you have difference of 5 terms. So that sin square 85 I have converted like a cos square of 5 degree. Similarly, sin square of 10 degree, you have a sin square of 80 degree. Sin square 80 degree becomes the cos 10, cos square of 10 degree. See, because of that reason here, see the students, sin square 80 degree is written as a 90 minus 10. Is it possible, right? Whatever take the power. This is equal to sin changes to cos. This is the cos 10 degree. Square of that one, first quadrant, all functions are positive. Is it a cos square 10 degree? Like that, we have converted like that here. So this is the 5, sin square 5 plus cos square 5 becomes 1. Sin square 10 plus cos square 10 becomes 1. This 10 means what it is? This is the 85 of sin square. This is the 80 of sin square. Like that, arranging the terms here, then it becomes that making that identity sin square theta plus cos square theta. So it becomes 1. So 5, this is the 10, and this is the 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and what remains? 45, square of that one, 1 by 2, and this is the sin 90. Like that, these are the 9 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 plus 1 by 2. So it can be times 9 1 by 2. So this is the way of the calculation of such an example. Similar type here, one more example, same type. I will do the students here. Now let us see today the same type of question here. Let us tell me the answer like that here using this this result in directly the answer of this one here. This is also the CET question to student. We have discussed already. Prove that. Here I will not give that answer. Prove that here. Or I will take in the form of find the value of. Tell me this value student. Cos square 5 degree, cos square of 10 degree, cos square of 15 degree, plus so on so on, up to cos square of 90 degree. So this is also the difference of 5. This is also the difference of 5. So cos square 5 degree, cos square 10 degree, cos square 15 degree, so on so on, up to cos square of 90 degree. Tell me the answer of this one here, student. So that previous one you have calculated. Here I am reminding sin square 5 degree, sin square 10 degree, plus so on so on, up to sin square of 90 degree. So this is also the same term set. Here also the number of terms set. How much you get? 9 1.5. What is the answer of you are getting this one here? I think the students have. See, this is how much it is? 8 1.5. Some of you are getting the 8 1.5 because of one term here less, because of this cos 90 becomes what it is 0. The similar pairs here, cos square 5, sin square, this 85 is a cos square of, so cos square, this is cos square 85, converting as a sin square 5. Similarly, cos square 80, converting as a sin square 10 degree, like that the pairs, and this is the one term less, because cos 90 becomes 0, the value of 0, this is value, that one term less here, this is sin 90 here, so therefore it is 9 1 9 1.5. So therefore it is 8 1.5. Both the examples are asked in the examination, CT examination. Remember when cos 1 less because of this cos 90 degree. You should remember the answer structure. Now let us see how it is. Let us see how it is. See, cos square 5 degree, cos square of 5 degree. See this one. Cos square of 5 degree plus cos square of 10 degree plus cos square of 15 degree, cos square of 45 degree plus cos square of 80 degree, cos square of 85 degree, cos square of 90 degree. You know this one. The answer here I have already discussed there how to calculate it directly. See this one, this 5 can be written as, here I will write 5 as it is 5, cos square of 5 plus cos square of 5 plus cos square of 10 degree, cos square of 15 degree plus also plus cos square of 45 degree up to remain as it is. Here I will write 50 as a, or you will convert this 5 as in terms of 80, 5, 10 as in terms of 80, or you convert those terms in terms of these. See here, I will write this 80 as a directly sin square of 10 degree. Is it possible to write this right, sir? Cos square 80, here I am writing as a sin square of 10 degree. Cos square 80 degree, I have written as a sin square of 10. Is it possible to write it squares? See this one, 80 can be as 90 minus 10. Is it a sin 10 degree? Square and square it is. Similarly, 85, similarly, tell me the square, 90 minus of 5. It is a sin 5, square is there. This cos 90 as it is. Cos square 90 as it is. Here arranging the term. Cos square 5 plus sin square 5 like that pair terms, taking one side straight. Cos square 5 plus sin square 5 degree plus of cos square 10 degree plus sin square of 10 degree. Arranging one side of the capture. Similarly, 15 we have a 15. Is it possible to write 75 as a 15? Like that here after cos 45 degree onwards, converting in terms of a sine. Half of the terms converting, half of the term remaining. These two terms, this is cos and half of the remaining as it is. So this is even number of terms. These two are writing their values. You know this value. Then plus of similarly, like that. This is 1 by root 2. Square here also. Sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So here you have taken the terms in the pair. Then what again? These terms are here taken here. These terms are covered here. They like a pair here. Cos square 90 is 0 it is. Square of that one again 0 it is. Now see the terms here. Cos square 5 plus sin square 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, up to 40. 45 is 1 by 2. See the pair of 5 degree it is here. I am writing below that one. This is 10, this is 15, this is 20 degree, this is 25 degree, this is 30 degree, this is 35 degree, this is the 40 degree. Up to 40 degree. Afterwards, 50 can be written as a 40. Yes, 55 can be written as a 35. 60 can be written as a 30. 65 can be written as a 25. 70 can be written as a 20. 75 can be written as a 15. Like that, 80 can be written as a 10. 85 can be written as a 5 degree. Like that. What way? 45 degree and then 0 it is. That is the cos 0 it is. Now see how many ones here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There one term because of that cos 90 0. So how much it is? 8 1 by 2. Is it? Or 8 plus 1 by 2. Like that 8 1 by 2 we may write it. So he may give the 4 options. 8 1 by 2, 9 1 by 2, 10 1 by 2. Like that he may give the options here and 1/4 option will be done. So this is the cos square of 5 degree. Actually I So I have first given the question, I have asked the result also. So this type of you have to calculate the CET example studies. Now let us see one more, and then two examples. I will do the homework. This is one type, same type. This is previous one, and this one is the previous class example also I have reminded. Now see this next one. Next one. See the student, next one. Find the value of tan pi by 10, tan 3 pi by 10, tan 7 pi by 10 plus tan of 9 pi by 10. I have told the students, if such examples in terms of radian, you may convert any one and remaining you may write down. You may convert pi by 10 because of it becomes easy to convert that using the angles. Pi by 10 you may convert. Then if you after converting pi by 10 you multiply by 3, you will get this tan 3 pi by 10. After multiplying by 7 you will get a tan 7 pi by 10. After multiplying by 9 you will get a tan 9 pi by 10. So here I am calculating pi by 10. It is very simple. It is pi by 10 multiplying by 180 by pi. This pi and pi is cancelled. How much it is? 80 degree it becomes. So pi by 10 becomes 80 degree. Yes, pi by 10 becomes what it is? 80 degree. Now write the similarly the 3 pi by 10. See how much it is? 3 pi by 10. Is it a 3 into 18? 54 degree. 54 degree. Then 7 into 18 degree. Tan of 126 degree. 7 into 18 degree. 7 into 7 times it is 7 into 18 degree. 126 degree. Next, this is 9 into 18 degree. 162 degree. 9 into 160 degree. Like that, converted here 3 into 18 because of 3 pi by 7 into 18, 9 into 18. You may convert. It is 54. This is 126. And this is 162. You may write it. It is possible to convert it. Tan 18. First 4 terms. 2 terms you may as it is. 2 terms converted in terms of this one. Is it possible to write it as a 180 minus 54? Is it a 126? Is it a 126? Same it is 126 it is. Converted in terms of this 54 alternatives. This 162 can be written as a 180 minus of 180 minus of 18 degree. Is it possible to convert it? It's 180 minus of 18 degree. Yes, tan 18 degree plus tan of 54 degree. Tell me the answer of this one. Tan 180 minus theta. Tan of 180 minus theta. Is it a minus tan theta? Is it a minus of tan theta? So this is the minus of tan theta. How much it is? 54 degree it is, plus minus it is. Next, plus of. This is also minus of tan 80 degree. Minus tan 80 plus tan 80 plus minus it is. Plus tan 54 minus tan 54. This becomes 0 degree. 0 it is. 0 the value 0 it is. Is it clear all of the students here? You may convert like that also. You may convert like that also. Such types of you have to convert it. So this is the today's second example, student. Today's second example. Next, now come to the next one. Come to the here I will give the same two examples homework. You may calculate yourself, student. Then now I will do the same type. Find the value of the. I hope you calculate homework. Find the value of the values of the following. Find the values of the following. Let us calculate cot 1 degree, cot 2 degree, cot 3 degree, cot 3 degree, cot of 89 degree. Second one, as you have calculated tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan of 89 degree. Similar, let me calculate this example. You may ask like that also, you may think that I will use the results students. And one more, cot 10 degree, cot 20 degree, into cot 30 degree, into cot 40 degree, into cot 50 degree, into cot 60, cot 70, into cot of 80 degree. Cot of 80 degree. Up to this you may calculate their products, and both the examples are product. It is 1 to 89 and it is 10 to 80. Products are different sometimes and it is continuous all the concept. So cot 1 to cot 89. I hope you calculate these two examples. You may calculate. So I have already calculated more than 10 examples of this type of examples. More than 10 examples I have calculated the structure. You may try for these two examples. You may take homework for these two. So in this is the allied angle structure. So I remind once again the allied angle in this chapter, and then I will go for the next chapter structure. The allied angles. See the students, in this chapter, the three important points, you should remember the three important points. So these are the allied angles: 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta, and 360 degree plus theta. We have taken in terms of both radians also and degrees also. These are known as allied angles. You have to study the allied angles. Why you have to use these allied angles? You know, to calculation of a such an angle, 120 to 40 degree. So 30 and 40 degree, whatever some angles we have calculated here. So the three important points here. When you are converting the angles in the form of 90 degree plus or minus theta, both the means both angles, 270 degree plus or minus theta, the trigonometric functions are changes. This arrow one, sine changes to cos, cos is changes to sine, tan changes to cot, cot is changes to tan, sec changes to cosec, sec is written as cosec. If you have a cosec of this type of example, you are writing the sec. Like that, you have to change by their co-functions. And when the angles are 180 degree plus theta minus theta, these two, 360 degree plus theta minus theta, and this minus of theta, in this case, the trigonometric functions remain same. If we sine only, the function does not changes, and whatever you are converting, you have right in terms of sine only. If you are converting like that, if you are using these four types of angles, you have right. If it is a sine calculating, you should write cos, as you have calculated in many examples. When you are calculating tan, you should write cot. When you are calculating by cot, then you should write tan like that in the structure. But here not same functions, you should write sine, if it is sine, cos, you should write cos, etc. like that. The etc. you should write it, etc. means the remaining functions also the same here. Along with that, you need the plus sign, minus sign, depending upon the values, depending upon the position of the angle, depending upon the standard positions. You should take this according to this ASTC rule. ASTC rule. According to the ASTC rule, you should take the positive and negative sign. If you remember these points, you may calculate the any angles here. We have used last 3-4 classes here. We are calculating this allied angles here. So you may use this one here. The next come to the The next we will go for the graphs of trigonometric functions. So in the previous class and before 2-3 classes we have calculated the examples on the right angles and some CT examples also we have calculated. Now next come to the graphs of trigonometric functions. Now see the students, here in the graphs of trigonometric functions you have to study the domain and range of the trigonometric functions also. What? Domain and range of the trigonometric functions also. You know already the domain and range in the sets you have studied the sets and relations, the domain of the functions and the range of the functions. The domain and range of the trigonometric functions you have to study. So in this chapter here. Now let us see the first here. Draw the graph of sin x. Draw the graph of sin x and write there domain and range. Like this we have the question. Domain and range. See like that we have the questions. Write there domain and range. Draw the graph of sin x and write there domain and range. Now see the students. So the graph of the sin x function. See previous only we have drawn the many graphs of the trigonometric functions in the Cartesian coordinate system on a number line. On a number line you have drawn the graphs of the algebraic functions. Like that you have taken the values here. You have taken on the Cartesian plane on the number line. So you have drawn the graph of the certain functions y is equal to x square plus 1. So such an algebraic expressions you have drawn the graph of the, in the previous classes you have drawn the graph of such a algebraic functions. Now let us here you should draw the graph of the sin x, the trigonometric functions. See what type of the question say here. Draw the graph of sin x and write there domain and range. Now let us see. Now we will draw the graph of the sin x. So let the function y is equal to f of x equal to sin x. Here x value is the domain and y value is the range. X value is the domain, the first value is the domain, and the range is the final value, y value. Here giving the values of x, calculating y, giving the value of x and calculating y. Supposed to be y is equal to x square plus 1, x equal to 0, y equal to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to 1 plus 1, 2 it is, x equal to 2, 4 plus 1, it is 5. Like that, x equal to 3, y equal to 9 plus 1, 10. Like that, you have calculated the certain values. So these are the domain values and these are the range values. In that, you have to calculate the domain and range. You have to see that what is the range of the particular function. So what are the domains of the domain of the particular function? Like that, you have to study. So after that, you should take the negative values -1, -2. -3, like that, some positive values and negative values as you have taken in the graph, positive values and negative values. Here x dash axis and y dash axis, positive values as you have taken. So just you have taken the negative values. Like that you have drawn the different types of the algebraic functions. Now similarly here we have to draw the graph of all the trigonometric functions. Now let us see the students. The graph of sin x, Now we will give the value of like y is equal to f of x equal to sin x for every x. So here domain is the set of all real numbers. The domain of this function is the set of all real numbers. The domain of the the graph of the, by definition of the sin x, the domain is the sine function, the domain is the set of all real numbers. Now let us here we make the first table of this sin x, the table of the sin x here we make, and then we will calculate the values and we will draw the graph of the functions here. Now see, this is x equal to x values will be calculated y. What is y? Y is equal to f of x is equal to sin x. Y is equal to f of x is equal to sin x. Now see that, students. Now let us here review the x values and finding the y values. We are giving the x values and finding the y values. Now here we take the set of values for the in the period of the sin x. We have to calculate the function is what? Y is equal to sin x. Here I will take the 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degrees. Now we will calculate. Here we take the domain is the set of all real numbers. We will view the domain in terms of radians here. 0 it is. Then y equal to sin 0. X value is what? It is 0. Calculating y. What is sin 0? 0 it is 0. Sin 0 is 0. Sin 0 is 0. But cos 0 is cos 0 degree is 1. Sin 0 degree is 1. So like that here. So here in terms of radians set of all real numbers we have taken here. So in terms of radians we are taking here. Sin 0 is 0. The next. So you will take that some periodically some certain values 0 to pi by 2. Pi by 2 to pi. Pi to 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Like that here we will take the domains here. Pi by 2. Pi 3 pi by 2. 2 pi. The next pi by 2 after. Then the negative values of this one here. Minus pi by 2. Minus pi. Minus 3 pi by 2. And minus of 2 pi by 2. Here I will take like that some positive values and some negative values on the. So certain values pi by 290, 180, 270, 360. Here no need of that fraction values 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree. No need here. You will come to know after taking that certain period of these values. You will come to know the graph here. Now let us here we will calculate these are the domain here set of all real numbers. These are the set of all real numbers. You may take any value after 2 pi. You may take 5 pi by 2, 3 pi. Here also minus 5 pi by 2, minus 3 pi. Like that you have to take all the values here. Now see, sin 0 is 0. Then y is equal to 0. Sin pi by 2, 1 it is. Y value is 1 here. Sin pi by 2, you know very well. Sin pi by 2. So y equal to sin of pi by 2. It is 1 it is. Sin 90 is 1 here. Sin pi 0 it is. Is it clear or not? See, sin pi. So where it comes the terminal side of this sin pi means where it is on x-axis. What is there any value of y value? Y value becomes 0, it is on x-axis. Y value is 0. Otherwise you may calculate sin pi, sorry, or not calculate like that. Let us see sin pi means sin 180 degree. What is sin 180? Either you take plus or minus. Sin 180 plus 0 also you can take. Sin 180 minus 0 also you can take. Third quadrant it is negative. Sin of 0 degree, no changes. Then what is this minus? What is the sin 0 degree? 0 it is. Minus of 0 or you say 0 only. So you may calculate like that also. Sin pi it is. Sin pi is 0. Then sin 3 pi by 2. Come to the sin of 3 pi by 2. See the sin 3 pi by 2 where it comes. Sin 3 pi by 2. Anti-clockwise direction it is. Anti-clockwise direction. So where it comes it is negative axis it is. Is it a negative axis? Sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1. That y value is minus 1. See how it is. How it is minus of 1. Now see, sin of 3 pi by 2. You know very well, student. Sin 270 degree. Shall I write it is sin 270 degree like that? 270 plus 0 degree. When 270 90, the function is changes. The function is changes cos 0 degree. What is cos 0? It is 1 which quadrant? 270 plus which quadrant it is? Fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sin is what? It is negative. Is it a minus of 1? Sin of 3 pi by 2 is a minus 1. Like that, you should calculate some certain period of the values here in the interval 0 to pi by 2. pi 3 pi by 2, some the interval here taking the values here. The next sin 2 pi, similarly calculating sin 2 pi it is, now see the students, sin of 2 pi is equal to 360 degree, sin 360 degree, or you take 360 plus 0 or minus 0, it is same, it is plus 0, it becomes first quadrant positive, it is sin 0, 0 it is. If you take a minus, sir, why you are taking like that plus? You should take minus. Let us see the minus. Sin 360 degree minus. Which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, minus negative it is. So sin is negative. Again, it is a negative value. The value does not change. The value is remain same. It is. So this is what sin 2 pi it is 0 here. See the students. In the interval 0 to pi, the sin function is a positive, and in the interval pi to 2 pi, the sin function is a negative. Yes, what here? In the interval 0 to pi, the sin function is a positive, and in the interval pi to 2 pi, the sin is a negative. It is. Now let us will go for the negative values of these students. Negative values of these will calculate. Now, what is this negative value here? Sin of minus pi by 2. You know very well. Sin of minus pi by 2 means sin of minus theta. What is pi by 2? You know sin 90 degree. What is sin 90 degree? 180 is. So what is plus 1 or minus 1? It is minus 1. Like that, calculating the values. Then next, sin of minus pi. This is calculating the values are important. Yes, that calculating the values are important. Minus pi it is minus sin pi. Minus sin pi means 180 degree. Then minus of sin of 180 means 180 plus 0 or minus 0. Plus 0 means third quadrant. So this is negativity, sin 0 degree. Minus of minus plus sin 0 is 0. Sin 0 is 0. See, remember the students. Sin n multiple of pi's values is 0. Either all the set of all real numbers minus 1, where n is a set of all real number. So n is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, 3. So sin 1 pi 0. Remember, sin of 2 pi 0. Sin of 3 pi 0. The value of sin of 3 pi 0. Sin of 4 pi 0. Sin of n pi 0. N number where n is a set of real numbers. Minus also, negative also. Sin of minus pi is also 0. Sin of minus 2 pi is also 0. So like that, the value sin, remember, sin n pi is a 0. Sin n pi is 0. Yes? The next. So this is what here, we get the 0 here. Now let us come to the minus 3 pi by 2. See, sin n pi is 0. Why it is? Sin n pi. 1 pi, here it is plus x axis, there is no y value. Then 2 pi, here only it is the terminal set. 3 pi, here only the terminal set. 4 pi, here only the terminal set. There is no value of y it is. The next like that 5 pi, 6 pi, 3 pi like that. Whatever n pi are 0. Now next come to the minus 3 pi by 2. When x is equal to minus 3 pi by 2, we are calculating the y value minus 3 pi by 2. You know very well, student, minus sin theta. Sin of minus theta is the minus sin theta. Then this is 270 degree. 3 pi by 2 means 270 degree. Or you take plus or minus y equal to minus of 270 plus 0. 270 plus of 0 degree. Y is equal to minus of. Then what is this? Sign changes to cos. Cos 0 degree. Which quadrant it is? Fourth quadrant. The fourth quadrant. Sign is what it is? Negative it is. Minus of minus plus. What is cos 0 value? 180 plus 1 it is. See the students, minus 3 pi by 2. So clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise it is minus 90, minus 180, minus 270. The terminal side of this minus 270 degree, this minus 3 pi by 2, the terminal side of this angle, where it falls, is it fall on positive y-axis? The value should be positive. The value is positive. Now next come to the sign of minus 2 pi, sign of minus 2 pi. Sin of minus 2 pi, y is equal to sin of minus 2 pi student. Y is equal to minus sin theta, sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So minus 2 pi means 360 degree. Y is equal to either plus you can take or minus you can take. Either plus you can take, minus you can take. Already we have calculated. This y equal to minus as it is. Sin of 360 plus no changes, 0 degree it is. Sin 0 degree it is. What is sin 0? 0 it is 0 into minus. Again 0 it is. 0 values here. Like that, the certain period, you may calculate the values here in the interval 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to pi, pi to 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, like that. So these are the positive values. So the same values, negative values here, minus pi by 2, so the same intervals, minus pi by 2, whatever you have taken, right side. On the left side also you should take the negative values on the negative x-axis. So you should draw the graph of the graph on the Cartesian plane. You should see the what type of the graph here, and you have to calculate the domain and range. This is the domain of the all the set of values here. Now let us we have to find that in what range the sine function is false. Now let us see. This is the values of the y values. So here we come to we will take a Cartesian plane and we will take these values whatever we have calculated, the domain values. We will plot all the points here. Now let us see, this is the Cartesian plane. We will mark according to these values here. So in the intervals 0, pi by 2, pi it is 3 pi by 2, 90 intervals. So 2 pi it is. The same values, negative values here. We will take care this type negative values in the negative x-axis, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus of 3 pi by 2, minus of 2 pi. So the negative values, negative x-axis and positive. This is the Cartesian plane. Here we will marking these for x-axis along the x value, y-axis along the y values. So this is plus 1, 2 it is, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Now let us see. We will draw the graph here, student. Now we will draw the graph here. Now see the students. Here we have calculated the values. We are given the values of x, y value calculated here. Now let us take x values along the x-axis and y values along the y-axis here. Y is equal to f of x equal to sin x. We have given the x values in the intervals, certain intervals 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. The same negative values. We have to draw the graph here on the Cartesian plane. Now let us calculate the values of y. Now see, when x is 0, what is y value here, student? 0 it is. It passes through the origin. The graph is passes through the origin, student here. Next, when x is pi by 2, what is y? Y is 1 it is. When x is pi by 2, y is 1. Y value is 1 it is. Plus 1. When x is pi, it is 0. Positive it is. Totally it is what? In the interval 0 to pi, positive values here, the graph, sin x. Next, see the next value. After pi, 3 pi by 2. When x is 3 pi by 2, what is y? Minus 1 it is. Minus of 1. See the student? Minus of 1. Minus 3 pi by 2. When x is 3 pi by 2, y value is a minus 1. When x is 2 pi, 0 it is again. When x is 2 pi, the 0 it is. Now let us similarly take the negative values of the negative x-axis. When x is minus pi by 2, y is what? It is minus 1 it is. Minus of 1 student. Minus of 1. Here it is. X. When x is minus y, 0 it is. 0 it is. When x is minus 3 pi by 2, plus 1 it is. When x is minus 3 pi by 2, plus 1 it is. And when x is minus 2 pi, so it is 0. See, the graph of this sin x is oscillates between 0, 1, minus 1, like that it is. So, if you take after 2 pi, 5 pi by 2, and 3 pi like that, you get 1, minus 1, 0 like that here. Here also minus pi by 2, minus 5 pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 3 pi you can take. So like that it oscillates 0 to 1, 0 to 1 and minus 1. These are the values here. You see the graph here. Now let us here, we will draw the graph, student here. Now we will draw the graph here. Now see the graph. See the what type of, so when you take plus 2 pi, 3 pi by after 2 pi, next value is what, 5 pi by 2, it is first quadrant, positive it is first and second quadrant, sine is a positive, it is pi by 2 means the plus 1 you get, the graph goes like that. Then again decreases in the 3 pi 0, it is higher or n by 0. Then next 3 pi after 3 pi, 7 pi by 2 it is minus 1, like that only it is. Then minus 2 pi, again it comes minus 5 by 2 minus 1. Minus 3 pi 0, like that it oscillates 1, 0 and minus 1, in between 1, 0 and minus 1. Now see the values here. So the graph of the values, so the domain of this function is, let us see, the domain of this function is, the domain is the set of all real numbers. The domain is the set of all real numbers, the domain and range of the graph. Now see, the domain is the set of all real numbers, both positive and negative values exist. The domain is the set of all real numbers, and the range is, see the range, the graph of this y is equal to sin x is oscillates between 0, 1 and minus 1, in between the plus 1 and minus 1. Its maximum value is plus 1 and minus 1 only. You may take all the values in between 1 and minus 1 only. So it means that we concluded that the maximum value is plus 1. The maximum value is plus 1 and the minimum value is minus 1. You may take not more than 1 and minus 1, not more than 1 and minus 1. You may give any values. You may give any values. So the set of all values 4 pi, 3 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi, 18 pi, 100 pi, whatever it may be, minus 100 pi, whatever it may be, is oscillate between minus 1 and plus 1 totally. So therefore, the domain is the set of all real numbers. The domain is the set of all real numbers and the range is the minus 1 and plus 1. It means the minus 1 is the minimum value and the plus 1 is the maximum value. So the y is equal to sin x, the graph of the sin x. So with this we have write it with the students like that. The domain of this graph sin x is the set of all real numbers and range is the minus 1 and plus 1. Range is the minus 1 plus 1. In the closed bracket, minus 1 and plus 1. So it means minus 1 and plus 1. It can't exceed. See the students here. Here we have marked on the dotted lines. Here we have marked on the dotted lines. It cannot exceed 1. It cannot take more than 1 value. 1.01 also. 1.001 also you cannot take. And then it cannot exceed that minus 1. So less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal to 1 and greater than or equal to minus 1. Greater than or equal to minus 1 exactly. So therefore the graph of this sin x is minus 1 and plus 1. So the minus 1 is minimum value, this is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. So with this I conclude the today's class student. So this is the graph of the sin x. Like that you have to study the graph of the trigonometric functions. Let us see in the next class the graph of cos x also. Okay, with this I conclude the students. Thank you.